Is the rig for my witch character that I've made. So she has both a series of controls based off of the joint hierarchy that I've created for her. So we can turn that on here, and we'll just actually leave the controls on for now. So I have a full system for her, legs, arms, all of her fingers are rigged, and then feet as well. I've created those here in her skeleton hierarchy, so this is all organized nice and neat. We'll open that up a little bit more, and then I have a spine system. We have collapse these. So I have a spine that goes down from here all the way up, and then separates out into her arms, and then respectively into the left and right sides. And then same with the legs. We have the left leg clavicle and the right leg that goes down. And then those guys just separate further down with both the FK system, IK system in place that are hidden, and then that's based off of the RK joints. So I can swap between the two. So we go to our controls here. I have them set up so we can swap here and change it to a IK system. As soon as that loads, so you can change from red to blue. And then those ones function just fine with the controls I've also set up underneath them. Mine is loading a little bit slow, but you can see that react. My skinning needs a little bit more work, but I do have a light skinning on them as well. We'll undo that real fast and then swap this back to the IK system. There we go. And then you can see the joints follow along as well with the IK system, and the arm collapses in the manner that you'd expect it to. We can undo that one more time so my joints are reset. I have the FK system in the fingers as well, so that you can select the joints here. I'm just going to go ahead and hide my skeleton layer real fast. We select the joints here. If I can click them all and then turn them back on, and you can see them react in the manner that you'd expect them to, so they follow along. And I don't know why Maya's being a little laggy on that, but it is reacting how I'd expect it to. If I don't break the finger more than I'm supposed to, we'll lightly do that. There we go. So you can see the joints are following along, and it's just my skinning that isn't quite perfect along with those joints, so we're working on that. But that's how I have my system set up. I planned for the RK system so I can have that mobility switching between IK and FK if I needed it. And we'll just reset our joints here so I don't forget. And then in the foot, I just have a simple FK system. I want to implement a reverse foot. I just haven't at the moment, but I have done it in one of the other rigs that I have that just isn't as, like I said, it's the same fleshed outness. This is the one I just wanted to show off. So her foot goes up and down, just using that front joint. And that's the rigging system that I have set up, and made it really easy just for myself to find the different joints. And these are all set up with a broken hierarchy, so doesn't matter the order in which my controls are organized, because they were just copper parented underneath each other and not to each other, but not directly underneath each other in the hierarchy for the controls. So it's a lot easier to maneuver things around and organize them how I'd like to. So that's what I have.